I've tried so many ways to make money with ChatGPT. Some work, but a lot are just a waste of time. So today, I'm going to show you the 3 easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT that literally nobody's talking about. I even pay a team to do it and they work only 1 hour a day. What a waste of money. Anyways, I want you to stick around for the next 10 minutes because I'm sharing some tools and tricks that will make it work for you.
Imagine a little kid opening a book and seeing themselves as the main character.
This video is the custom kids storybooks. You basically get the kid's photo from their parents and turn it into a full story with images and everything. This type of service is blowing up right now because just imagine the emotions of a child when they see themselves as the main character in a story. Parents are willing to pay anything to see that reaction. If we search for this service on digital platforms like Etsy, we can see there are barely a few sellers, but they already have a lot of reviews. That means they're killing it right now with very little competition. Now, before I show you how to create it, you need to know there are 2 types of these books. The first one is where you take the child's photo and animate them into the full story. The second type is where the storybook already has around 12 pre-made faces and you just change the name. This second option is easier, but the kid's face will be different. To grab more attention and make it unique, I recommend the first type. Here's how to create it. Once you get an order, the parent will send you the child's photos through messages. Upload them to ChatGPT and use this prompt to transform the photos into a cartoon style, like this. Then, in the same chat, use the second prompt to generate the storybook title. For this step, you'll need 2 more details from the buyer, the child's name and the story style they want. Let's say they picked a superhero style and the kids.
Now, if kids love this, wait until you see what pet owners are buying in step 2. People aren't just buying storybooks. They're paying crazy money for epic art mashups.
For the second way, custom art mashups. This is one of the viral services right now. Basically, someone sends you their photo or multiple photos and you merge them into an artwork like this one. I already made a video explaining this whole business model and you guys really liked it. That's why I'll give you 20 style prompts in different variations.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Like for 1 person, 2 people or more, person with their pet, and just the pet only. These are the exact same documents my team uses, so make sure to support with a like and share and comment and subscribe.
Leave me alone!
Anyways, before we test how these prompts work, let's search for this art style on Etsy. As you can see, they're making a lot of sales. One store even made over $100,000. Crazy, right? That proves this niche really works. Now here's the thing about Etsy. Only the sellers with a lot of listings actually get sales. So don't just post one and wait for results. You need to be consistent to earn the trust of Etsy and other platforms. If we create 20 art styles each with 4 variations, that's 80 listings, more than enough to start seeing your first sales. All right, let's test one prompt. I'll pick this fantasy medieval style on a person with their pet. Just paste it into ChatGPT and it gives you this crazy result.
But step 3 is on a whole new level. It's about showing people their future self, and nobody else is doing it yet. Okay, this one blew my mind. People are actually paying to see their future self.
For the third way, the most creative one, the future self-portrait. I think I might be the only one who knows about it. I couldn't find anyone selling it anywhere else, which makes it a huge opportunity to jump into with little to no competition. Here's how it works. Someone sends you their photo along with what they want to become in the future, like their dream job or goal, and you turn it into a portrait of them actually achieving that dream. Imagine how motivating that is if they hang it up in their room and see themselves as their future self. Every time they look at it, it's a reminder of what they're working towards. That's powerful. Now let's see how to create it. Once the order is placed, the buyer will send you their image, name, and their dream for the future. Then you upload the photo to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Just add their dream job, for example, a doctor, and let ChatGPT generate the portrait. Look at this. It's amazing. Honestly, if I put something like this in my room, I'd probably become a doctor for sure.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
I'm pretty sure a lot of you are already thinking about making these for future millionaires too, right? But we're not done yet. After generating the image, open it in Canva and add a few finishing touches. For example, you can put their name on the portrait and add a future year. You could ask them for their graduation year and make your own estimate of when they might achieve that dream.
But here's how you scale it. Step 4 shows you how to put all your offers into one simple link that does the selling for you. Imagine selling everything you offer with just one link. Yep, Step 4 makes it that easy.
For the promotion, if you present your services on one landing page, that's great. If not, you can just offer them on Etsy or Fiverr, then paste the link on Linktree, which you can build for free. You can also add more services if you think they'll work. That way, when people click, they go directly to the place where they can buy. This helps you promote just one link instead of too many. The first method is TikTok.
But here's where things really explode. Step 5 shows you how to use TikTok to turn 10-second videos into viral money makers. Step 5 is rocket fuel. TikTok before and after videos that blow up in seconds.
The king of virality. The type of video you should create is a before and after style. Here's an example of a promo video.
I can't believe this. I just sent a picture of me, my dog, and my boyfriend, and look what I got back. A royal-style portrait that looks absolutely amazing. This is such a cool, memorable thing. I'm obsessed.
Order yours now from the link, and let's create memories together.
As you can see, it's easy to create. I used a voice from 11 Labs and edited it in CapCut. Always aim for short videos, around 10 to 15 seconds. This way, you can make a lot of them quickly. By the way, I've already got you 2 ad videos per service. You can simply add the images of your landing page or Linktree. I think that deserves a big subscribe, and like right now, for paid promotion, you can send those videos to famous creators on TikTok and pay them to post with your link, or post them on your brand account.
But TikTok is just the launchpad. Step 6 unlocks hidden communities where buyers are already waiting.
Second promotion method, it's all about public communities like Facebook groups and Reddit. These places are full of people who love engagement and conversation. Just search for active groups with more than 10 posts a day that are related to your audience. Always respect their rules. Don't just drop your link directly. Instead, share your work like a before and after example. If people like it, they'll DM you.
And there you have it. 6 simple steps that turn ChatGPT into a full-blown side hustle. Now imagine what happens when you actually start today. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.